Welcome to OneSearch. Here's tip number 6, saving time by finding articles that have the full text available. How to do it. Okay, so let's say we're going to do a quick search, and it'll be something like cats by dogs. Okay, and let's see what we find. Now let's suppose your professor wants you to look up articles about cats and dogs and biting, because those were the keywords we typed in, and you want to save time. So what you can do is you can look for the full text available. This article, for example, has it available, but these two don't. Go down further and there's another. So there's another way to figure this out, how to find all the results that are just with the full text available. And this is handy because you can email it to yourself, print it out, and it saves you a lot of time. So what you do is you go over to the left side, this left column here, and you look at availability. And the second option is full text online from SJSU, 16,734 results. So let's go ahead and pick that. We'll apply the filter, and there you go. So now you can see that all the results are only for articles that have the full text available. And this can be a great time saver. So something to keep in mind, be sure to sign in to get full access. Hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.